Tell me one good reason why I should try continuing to fight it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is my review of the Redragon M715. At ito yung kapalit ng Logitech G102 ko, kung naalala nyo pa yon. Double pa more! So yun nga, nabili ko to sa Lazada nung 12/12 sale for 900 pesos. At ngayon pwede nyo siya mabili for 1,000 to 1,400 pesos, depende kung saan nyo siya bibilin. I've been using this for almost 2 months, so that should give you an idea on how it fared. Sa loob ng kahon, you get the mouse itself, a ziplock bag which contains the driver disk for the software, which you can just download at their website. User manual and replacement Teflon fit for when you want to open the mouse. The Redragon M715 weighs 130 grams, 5.1 inches long, 2.85 inches wide, and 1.62 inches tall. Compatible with Windows XP 2.10. So yung M715 ay may unspecified na optical sensor, 100 up to a 10,000 dpi setting, 125 up to a 1000 Hz polling rate, RGB lighting, 20G acceleration, 9 total buttons, 8 of which are programmable, 6-foot red braided cable, so take note, at gold-plated na USB connector. Ngayon, yung design at ergonomics ng M715 ay okay lang, nothing noteworthy. Matte finish siya, so that's a plus, at meron ding textured grip sa sides ng mouse. So far, wala pa naman mga scratches sa main body ng mouse except sa middle part which has a glossy finish. Ambidextrous siya, and the mouse is comfortable enough to hold in use, especially in long gaming sessions. The mouse is just the right size for people with average size hands, so madali ko tong mararecommend kahit kanino. Build quality ay solid at walang marupok na part sa M715. Lahat ay maayos ang pagkakagawa. At sa ilalim ay meron siyang metal plate at 3 Teflon feet. The shape of the mouse recommends that you use a palm grip for this. Again, meron tong 9 total buttons, yung 1 lang yung hindi programmable, which is the mode switch to cycle among your different mouse profiles. Nandyan yung left and right buttons, scroll wheel, DPI up and down buttons, back and forward buttons, at eto naman po tayo,
Sniper button.
Na almost useless since na mga tao lang na may malalaking kamay o mahabang daliri lang ang makagamit nito ng maayos, lalo na in games. Again, to every company planning on putting a sniper button or additional button on the side of their mouse, put it here and you won't waste that extra button. You're welcome. That aside, lahat ng buttons ay nice and clicky with run switches for the left and right buttons. Yung scroll wheel button ay binibigyan ka ng enough actuation force para hindi mo siya aksidenteng mapindot. At yung positioning ng scroll wheel at DPI switches ay very nice. Satisfying and smooth ang pag-ikot ng scroll wheel. Para sa lighting, meron siya sa scroll wheel, light up Redragon logo, G logo, which actually so far, ito pa lang yung Redragon mouse na meron ito. Sa ilalim ng mouse at sa harap. Something to take note ay kapag nag-switch ka ng DPI setting ay nag-iiba din yung RGB based on that DPI setting. And after a few seconds ay babalik na yung kulay sa lighting na sinet nyo, which is a nice touch. Sa Redragon Dagger software ay mako-customize mo yung command for each button, assign macros, acceleration, pointer speed, scroll speed, double click speed, polling rate, DPI settings, RGB lights with 7 color modes. Although tip again, since Redragon is also using different softwares for different products, I suggest doing what Logitech does with their gaming software, in which you just need one software and it automatically detects which peripheral you're using. And most importantly, using the M715 is really good. Although compared sa Logitech G102, mas preferred kong gamitin yon kumpara dito, just a bit more. But of course, considering the price, wala akong complaint sa ino-offer ng M715. Tracking is accurate, no delay or latency issues. Meron siyang 20G acceleration at combined with a 1mm lift of distance, this is a solid mouse for gaming. Gliding is smooth on any smooth surface at overall magandang gaming mouse ang M715. Only complaint ko lang ay yung sniper button. That's it. And yeah, I can easily recommend the Redragon M715 to anyone, especially to those who are looking for a good but relatively inexpensive gaming mouse. Nasa description yung link kung gusto nyong bilhin. Mag-iwan kayo ng comment kung may mga katanungan kayo and I'll do my best to answer them. At yun na yun, sana na-enjoy nyo to at nakatulong to sa inyo. Leave a like, dislike if you feel like you have to. Consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. As always, use my Lazada affiliate link pag bumibili kayo sa Lazada, and you can also donate through PayPal to support the channel. Follow me on Twitter for updates and announcements. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!